How to create a LinkedIn profile step by step. First things first, you simply have to go ahead and download the official mobile application or simply launch any web browser of your choice. Then head to the official LinkedIn website. From there, all you have to do is now go ahead and launch the application, or once you're here within the login page, you simply have to type your email address and create a strong password. Then enter your first name and last name and complete the security verification puzzle. Input your country and zip code to help local recruiters find you. Then set your current professional status by selecting the job title and also indicate the student status, specify the industry, and verify email. Now you simply have to upload high quality media, upload profile photos, set background banner, and also adjust the visibility. Once you do this, proceed to build your core resume sections and expand your network from there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.